Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video. Let me close the door for y'all real quick. But today we got a good install. We finally going stage 1 plus in the car. And if I flip the camera around, y'all can see what I bought for the intake. So I actually got this intake off of my buddy of mine. He's trying to sell it for some reason. I don't really know, to be honest. But he gave it to me. And I paid him like pretty cheaply for it to what he would have sold it for. Already has all the hose connected. The carb sticker right there. The mounts. I had to get some new bolts though from Cobb themselves, but that's not that big of a deal. And that's for next video. But that's pretty much the intake. I'm gonna start go ahead and pull it out there. Jacob, Tim, and Tiff are here, so they're actually gonna help me do the install, you know, be there and stuff like that. And then after that, we'll do some sound clips. I don't have sound clips with stock exhaust or nothing like that, but I mean, you already know what stock STI sounds like anyway, so it's whatever. And then I'm gonna do a rev engine. After I flash the tune on, I'm gonna rev in the engine bay so y'all can hear it. And then we'll take it on the drive and see what it sounds like when we're actually on the drive. But right now, let's go out to the garage. All right, so we got in the garage. I got Jacob, Tim, and Tiff. But let's get started on taking this out.
You think I look like Jesus?
What are you laughing at?
Jesus, bro? Oh, yeah, also, I know my engine bay's dirty, but I'll clean it eventually. Just not right now. I'm too busy. So we're trying to find out how to take out this MAF sensor wiring. So we'll get back to y'all when we figure it out. So you're actually supposed to push up in the clip from the back, and then that's how you get that off. So I'm gonna do that and get back to it. All right, my fault, y'all. Pretty much, I lost the screw. I don't know if y'all saw in the video. I had to stop it, but it felt like back here, and I can't seem to find it. So, whenever I take out the bumper again, so our car's super dirty right now, but whenever I take out the bumper again, I will put that clip back in. But, pretty much, from since then, I got both of these plugged in, and I got this coupler in, and I got the little mounting bracket. After this, whenever I put the actual intake in, I'm gonna put the other bracket right here, and then we should go in and then tune the car inside, and then we should be done after that. But yeah, so let's get back to the montage. I'm just gonna put y'all back to the time lapse. if you actually got a clip of the intake in yet, but my phone actually died. But we're already in the car, so I'm about to tune it right now, and I'll show y'all after. All right, so we got the tune loading up for the new intake. Car is going crazy right now. But I'm just getting it off the self-tune right now, but I'm gonna go take it to my buddy that I know, and he's gonna actually dyno tune it for me, but we'll do that for another video. But I'm gonna let this ride, and I'll let you get right back to y'all. All right, tune's done, gotta turn the car off, and then I'll let it idle for a little bit, and then we'll rev it for you after.
That bitch in sports intelligence.
Alright, ready? Second gear pull. On. Oh! I hear it.
I hear it. You know what I need? I need a launch.
Oh, not right now. Ready?
You know, it matches the shirt actually.
Oh, I hear it. Oh,
Alright, everybody, we're about to do a launch.
ready? I'm gonna get my foot.
Part 2. Oh my god, oh my god. Yes.
I'll be honest, y'all. The car feels so much faster. You can even hear the intake noises and everything. Bro, it sounds so good. But it's gonna be it for the day's video, bro. I'll be honest. Look at what's happening, bro. What is? Hey, but I'll be honest. I'm gonna give a shout out to Tim and Jacob and Tiff too. She was there for more support. But I'll be honest. We lost like 2 bolts. A bolt in the clip, and then Timmy helped save a bolt. But
same.
yeah, Jacob did too. But he helped install it. So I'll be honest. Hey, shout outs to them, bro. I would have not been able to do it.
Shout out to
But make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, that shit was fast as fuck.